Hey, what's up, guys? So I was going to take this board apart. I'm going to use the trucks and pretty much just the trucks and the riser pads for another project. But I want to take this apart, and I got one of these. It's the Wallet Ninja. So it's the world's first 100% flat skateboard multi-tool. Yeah, got this as a present, and gonna try it out. So that's what it is right there. Just a flat piece of metal, shaped kind of like a credit card, but actually just a multi-tool. Pretty cool. So let's see if we can get the wheels off first. It's our 1/2 inch. Oh, it fits. Not too bad. A little tricky, but yeah, not the easiest thing. Alright. It doesn't work too bad. It's kind of awkward, and I don't know. Definitely not as easy as using like a regular tool like that, you know. But it does work. Get the nut loosened, and then you can just, you know, I guess take the nut off with your fingers after. Get this guy. Alright. Well, that worked pretty good. I'll take the trucks off now. And let's see. Going to use the 3/8 for the trucks. Alright, just lost the nut to that, so there's one downfall to this, is it doesn't hold the nuts for you. So they'll just go flying. Well, so remember that if you ever try using one of these. Maybe we will try to use the, I don't know, the screwdriver part instead. Alright, so yeah, not awesome. Definitely doesn't make it easy. But I mean, it does work. So, there we go. Now we got this one, and I'm not going to worry about the nuts falling off of these. I'm just going to get this done quick if I can. So, here goes one. And, ooh, caught that one. There goes another one. Yep. It's all fun and games. You lose your nuts. So that's done. Alright, now I get to clean up my mess. That's always fun. Try to find all my nuts. Alright, so yeah. Probably reuse this board for something else. I'm always doing that. But yeah, this was the old Almost Rodney Mullen. Had like the Mutt logo, the Rodney Mullen Mutt, with, I think it had wings too. But yeah, kind of wish I had rails on it. This is actually a nice looking deck, but I skated the crap out of this thing. Yeah. So, my thoughts on this little, I don't know, Wallet Ninja skate tool thing. It's alright. I mean, if you don't have anything else, it actually does work. But, you know, yeah. So it's not bad.